In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Udemy password. If you've forgotten your Udemy password, don't worry. This process is quick and secure. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to the official Udemy website at udemy.com. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner for the Login button and click it to open the sign-in form. On the login form, you'll see a link that says Forgot Password. Click that to begin the recovery process. This link takes you to a dedicated page where you can request a password reset. Here, enter the email address associated with your Udemy account. Make sure you type it exactly as you originally registered it. Small typos or using a different email can prevent the reset email from arriving. You may be asked to complete a quick CAPTCHA, like checking a box that says, "I'm not a robot." This is a normal security step to ensure the request is coming from a real person. After you submit your email, Udemy will send a password reset message to that inbox. Keep your browser open while you switch over to your email. The message typically arrives within a few minutes. If you don't see it, refresh your inbox and be sure to check your spam, junk, or promotions folders. If your email provider groups messages into tabs, the reset email could be filtered away from your primary inbox. Also, search your inbox for the word Udemy to find it more quickly. Open the password reset email and click the Secure Reset link inside. This link will take you back to Udemy, where you can create a new password. Choose a password that's strong and memorable. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess. You'll be asked to enter it twice to confirm. If the link appears to have expired or doesn't work, return to the Forgot Password page and request a fresh link. Reset links often have a time limit for your safety. Once your new password is saved, you're ready to sign back in. Return to the login page, enter your email and the new password, and you should have full access to your courses again. If your browser asks whether you'd like to save the password, only do so on a device you trust. That's it. Simple, secure, and done in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you get back into your account, consider keeping your password stored safely so it's easy next time.